So we are here at the campground at Hot Springs National Park. I was like, where are we? There weren't very many parks, or weren't very many camping sites that could accommodate us since we are 37 feet. The travel trailer is 37 feet plus the truck. And we're looking at 60 feet easily. So we did find one spot that was like really close to the bathroom. So there's a lot of foot traffic, but that's okay. And then it backs up. I don't know if you can kind of see it here. But it backs up to this beautiful creek. So we're just kind of taking it easy today. We got here, we didn't leave Little Rock till almost 11. Got here, it's like 2 o'clock now. I've got one kid resting, one watching a movie, and then the husband's supervising. So me and Maya are gonna figure out how to pay for our site because that's what we need to do. So let's go on a walk. Let's go for a walk, Maya, come on. Let's walk on this side. Okay, come on.
Let's just go this way.
We are just going this way. We're going on a walk.
Yeah.
We got to figure out how to pay for our site. I'm waiting for her to fall in. She's 3, but she thinks she's like 13. Luckily it's cold, but it's not very deep. She'll just get her feelings hurt more than anything if she falls in. It's one of those times where if she falls in, you're going to want to laugh, but you can't. She did it all right. Good for her. Yay! Good job, Maya. So we are here at Hot Springs National Park in the gift shop visitors area, and which is right on Bathhouse Road. And so kids are having fun just playing, and we're gonna go explore some more.
What do I look like?
You look like a forest ranger, a park ranger.
Ooh. Oh, it's right there, right?
Yeah, that's like a shower that they used to use. Oh, now, yeah. Come on, let's go look over here. Look, what's in there? You girls go in there.
This is a
Well, I wouldn't say
dirty.
that. That's kind of dirty.
tub.
That's pretty neat, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but and then you would close the door.
Yep.
And then take it back. Wash, 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 wash. And then come out. Mm-hmm. Put the towel on you if you didn't have your clothes.
Okay, someone push number 1.
Number 1.
Yep, and Maya, you do the thing. Take us down, Maya.
Keep pushing that down.
Take us down. No, take us down. Push on down. First floor. We're here. Thank you for getting us down. So Maylee and Maya and I toured the inside of the visitor center, showing an old example of an old Ozark bathhouse. And we went and toured kind of some of the area around here. It's a self-tour.
Oh, it feels good.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You could just sit in there.
And relax. I know, doesn't it feel good?
What are you guys doing up here? You can see it's hot, Maya, because the smoke's coming off of it. You see the heat coming off of it? Ooh, that's hot right there. Touch it.
Really?
Yeah. That's because it comes out of the ground like that. It's heated up really hot in the ground. It was Maya's idea, but we went and saw Display Springs and then kind of walked around a little bit on the promenade, and right now we're taking a break. Everybody's eating, right, Maya?
Bye, Miles.
And everybody
And we're waiting on Miles. I'm gonna get you. You're gonna fall down. You got your Junior Ranger badge?
Mm-hmm.
And what are you gonna add it to?
What do you mean?
What was the other Ranger badge you got?
This is Hot Springs badge, and then I have another badge, which is the Grand Canyon badge, which but these are fake badges.
That's okay.
Yeah, I like the badges anyway, even if they're fake or real.
Yeah. So we've had a great day here at the Hot Springs National Park. We went to the bathhouses and, you know, were able to see and drink some water from the actual springs. Went to the visitor center at the and they had a great museum there. Came back this afternoon and took a nap, and then found a playground. So, what?
Play a phone like this.
Okay, just a minute. Can you give me a minute? And so now we're back home. John is going to grill up some food. I've got some ravioli that's going to be cooked, and we've got a fresh presentation on carrots, so maybe the kids will eat those tonight. And we're just enjoying our evening. Oldest two of the kids are in there watching movies on YouTube, and the other three of us are going to be outside enjoying the beautiful creek. So got John over there. He's hopefully going to cook us up some great things today. So it's been a great day here at the Hot Springs National Park, and we've got one more day before we have to head on back up to Little Rock and had to check in for Maylee's post-op surgery. All right, so me and the girls are going to head out, and we're going to the museum for the local mineral water. Actually, Mountain Valley Spring Water. Its headquarters are here in Hot Springs because they use the water here in Hot Springs and ship it around the world. So we're going to go see their museum and learn about the water for the area. And then we've got some errands to run, like Walmart and Kohl's. And then Maylee needs to go get her hair washed at a hair salon because she hasn't had that done yet. And the
Nope, and my ear, I can't. Well, there's something. I had ear surgery, and there's something, and this was my last one, and they there's something like behind the ears to keep it like up, and I can't get that wet.
So that's why we're going. The surgeon suggested a hair salon so that's what we're gonna go do. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna have your first real shower tonight, Maylee.
Why are you going to wait now?
Well, not right now. No, we're gonna go to the museum first.
Yeah. And see all the animals? Yeah.
No, we're gonna see all the water.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Yeah.
We made it to the Mountain Valley Visitor Center, and now we're looking at the museum, and then we'll get our sample of water.
Let's try that.
We're not supposed to touch it, okay? All right, which ice cream tastes better, Maylee? The Superman or the raspberry sorbet?
Both of them.
Maya, which one do you like better? That one, yeah. Let me see. I tried the Superman. Let me try the raspberry one. Oh yeah, the raspberry better. All right. So what did we just get done doing?
I can't remember.
Did we went to the water museum? And you guys tasted water? What water did you taste?
I can't remember. Some of them, like, maybe.
Did you like the black? Which one did you like the best? You like the blue one the best, right?
This and this one.
Yeah, you like the purple one, which is the blueberry pomegranate, and then you like the regular water. Neither you or Maya like the sparkling water. You know, sparkling water, you know how we always have tasty water? All tasty water is just the sparkling water, the flavor added. I know. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish and blow out your candles.
Go, 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 go.
Yay!
Yay!
So thanks for watching our Hot Springs National Park video. Please comment, share, like, and keep watching. And hopefully stop. And hopefully that one over there will actually start editing videos instead of me having to do it like this time. Because as if you noticed from the last video, he's supposed to be editing them and making them like once a week, and that has not happened. Yeah, I know. Even though he has the equipment, he bought himself a new computer, bought himself all this stuff, it still hasn't done it. So here I am. You've been working on one video for like 3 weeks.
I'm actually like, I'm at the end. Like I need some help.
That's excuses, folks. Really, it's not.
I'm not even gonna use this video. I don't know.
Anyway, thanks for watching.